Logan is currently getting out of the shower. Let's catch him in 4K. Hope you're having a shit one. Making some bakey.
Poppy's cooking.
Ready for some POV?
I got one thick slice. Hickory smoke. While my gross, dirty skillet is warming up.
It's like perfect POV.
Let's make the sauce. You want to grab mayonnaise? Spicy brown.
Spicy brown.
Oh no, hold up. You want some lemon and ketchup. And if you have a spring onions, you can use that shit. Grab a bowl. Spoon.
Yeah. Okay, hold the spoon.
Yeah.
Why do we need a spoon?
Scoop out like a couple scoops of mayonnaise.
Is that good?
Like 2 more. All right, perfect. However, that's like a cup of mayonnaise.
Oh, it's like about a cup.
And then you want to take your spicy brown. It's not mustard, it's spicy brown. Forget the mustard part.
You gotta slap it first. Gotta give it a little.
Gotta fucking warm it up, you know. And you wanna fucking splooge that in there. You wanna bet like half a tablespoon per thing. Kind of mix that around. Looks gross at first, but it looks a lot better at the end. Yeah, give me some bacon trivia. Yeah, there we go. This pan's kind of hot.
Bacon dates back thousands of years to the 1500 BC.
Whoa, 1500 BC. What did they do back then with bacon?
In which the Chinese were cooking pork bellies with salt, creating an early form of bacon.
There we have it.
Yeah,
Where the fuck are the scissors? I guess I have to use these shitty scissors.
Or can you?
You can. Wow, that smells like onion.
Yeah, we cooked onion in it.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't think it just fucking help retain. No, am I cutting the bacon? It's like the last thing you want to do. There we go. I did it.
Content.
Alright, it's like a couple slices of bacon per person. I do 4 because I'm not a bitch. That's fine. How you do that. 3 more slimy boys. Grab me a fork because I don't want to get the thing greasy.
Fuck. You know, while I'm down here, I'll give some bacon trivia.
Can I slap you with this? It's yours.
Yeah.
Adds flavor.
Are we making BLT?
Yes, sir. Always wash your hands so you're not a fat, gross fuck with slimy hands. Don't worry, I took a shower before I did this, so I'm clean as a whistle. You could fucking lick my...
What the fuck? What the fuck? You can still lick my asshole and be cool.
Alright, back to the sauce. Oh, turkey in it. Alright, get some lemon juice. You put like... that much in there. You know, however much you want. I have like maybe like a teaspoon, but because it's a double batch, it's like 2 teaspoons.
Ah, yes.
And then you want to mix that up. Then you get your fucking ketchup for the tang.
You know this is just basically fry sauce, right?
Yes, sir. Might be out of ketchup, but fuck.
I hope it's recorded. It is.
Who cares?
You can also add some liquid smoke to this.
Yeah, but we're doing this the fucking gourmet way. The fucking cream of the crop.
Let's add whatever we can to this.
No. No. You'll ruin it.
How about some salsa?
No. Alright, there we go. That's the sauce. That's the best sauce you can get. Bacon is... yeah. Ouch. Tastes good. And then plate. Oh, the plate. Look at this. Good money shot. this plate. Fuck that, I'm not putting those away.
Anyways, let me give you some bacon knowledge. Edward...
Bacon hands?
Yeah!
I knew it.
What?
Oh.
widely renowned as the father of bacon.
I love... He's the father, but I'm the poppy of bacon. And now that's a big difference.
Bacon Hands was hired by Beechnut,
Beach nut. Nice.
a packing company of baby food.
Boy, flip the bacon. No, well, not like that. While he's flipping it, you gotta make sure you use the right type of bread. Always use potato bread or you're a little soy bitch.
How do I bread? What
How does
used to using that bread? What are you, a soy
how
boy?
does bread? Boom. It's like yellow and shit. It's hot. It's sexy. It tastes good.
I hope this is the brand.
Who cares? If it's not, it's funny. See that? You need 2 slices of bread. If you're fucking retarded. Just letting you know.
I think we have to bleep that. Susan will get mad.
Mrs. fucking Woodcock dribble the burning hot grease off of it. And now if you don't...
1 for you, 3 for me.
And now if you don't have cholesterol or you don't fucking care, you fucking fry this in bacon fat. Because it tastes good.
But I like it, so...
Yeah, well I don't. And I'm the fucking chef. Say yes, chef, to me.
Yes, chef.
There we go.
That gets me off.
Oh, god damn. Lunchables. Pizza. God, these things fucking awful.
Really?
Don't you remember these? You like get them, it's literally just mozzarella sauce on like flat bread and here's some cheese. A quick intermission. You can plug whatever the fuck you want.
We don't have merch.
Who knows?
Maybe. I don't know. You're the cameraman today.
Whoa, shit. See this? Simba saying subscribe.
Wow.
Click the fucking bell or whatnot.
Yo, hit the bell. I don't think
Wow, that can't be said.
Wow, that was a bit too hot for television.
It's June, I can't say that shit. Oh my god, we're gonna get canceled.
Wait, this hasn't been opened yet.
Fuck, there's one that's already open.
Is there?
Yes. I'm gonna use my toesy woesies and boom, it's underneath the other cheese. Simba, out, shoot. Go. Go. While I'm walking around, there's another small dog. Napping. Radical.
We're content creators.
Oh
Are you
shit.
making more?
That's enough for one sandwich, you fat ass. Of course I'm making more. Ugh. Sorry, I had to adjust my poppy hat. Alright, how we do it? You grab your sauce, fucking slap that shit. Get a spoonful, drop. Get another spoonful, drop. Spoonful, drop. Guess what? Another spoonful. Rub that shit around. Fathead wants non-melted cheese, so...
Or we can melt it.
Yeah, I ain't doing that shit. I'm lazy. Boom. Boom. You grab this, you break it. 1, 2. Gotta make sure it covers everything. I forgot to go grab the lettuce. Do you want tomatoes on your fucking BLT?
Yeah.
Go grab it. It's in the fridge. Ain't cherry work, man. Fuck this shit.
It's kind of red.
The tomato or the lettuce?
The tomato.
If I remember right, the lettuce isn't too hot looking, so...
Yeah, it's a little,
It's lettuce, who cares? It's a plant.
Hey, catch it.
Ooh, shit. Oh, shit. Iceberg.
Oh, it's just, that's one.
Late to iceberg. As the French say, banana is
I
dull.
think that tomatoes not bad.
Oh shit, no. Actually, do we even have tomatoes?
No.
Where did you grab this?
That drawer.
Oh, hot damn. Lettuce. Wow, this is not pretty lettuce at all.
That's what I'd say.
Rip that. Peel back that shit. Don't want none of that. Boom. Boom, boom. Gotta put this shit back. Every sandwich needs the sauce, man.
Give it a flip.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
We eat it at the same time.
Cross section? Cross section much, man?
Oh no, my fucking lettuce.
Oh, my crispy fucking bacon.
We're gonna get a little cross section here. Mmm. Fuck, I didn't cut it deep enough. Fuck. Let's get a bite.
Big bite.
Oh, you're gonna have to take it from me. My hands are a little moist here.
Oh, there's the sink. Don't wash your hands off, fat ass. I'm trying to bake my bread. It's so gross. Why?
I got grease on it.
Oh my god, there's...
I got grease on it.
The cookies. I'll wipe this shit down. Ooh. Ooh. Bread. Pot. Wow, I'm having a hard time focusing. No, the bread.
Fucking see.
Fuck, that was hot.
You're also like right next to the fucking microphone.
Yo. POV hand washing. Your hand's fucking wet. Grab the soap. And just lather fucking up. So you know you have enough soap when it's like you're in a layer. When you put your hand underwater and it doesn't rinse all of it off, that's when you know it's good.
He's a doctor.
Oh yeah.
He's a medical physician.
That's right, dog balls all day. Boom. Can't forget the extra fucking mustard. Nice. Just add mustard, whatever you like. Your little boy tap, the little... I'm about to fucking destroy his ass. Wash my hands one more time before I eat.
I like my hands drenched by the time I'm eating.
My hands aren't wet and the bread isn't soggy. You're just not... It ain't good. That's how you make fucking grade A sandwich.
My review of the BLT, terrible. I would not make it. Absolutely. He's looking at me. I need to go. I need to go. I need to go.